So I was sent this Motepi men's long sleeve polo shirt. This is a quick dry UPF 50 plus sun protection golf or tennis sports shirt. So this is made out of 88% nylon and 12% elastane. It's machine washable. It's UPF 50 plus protection from the sun. So what makes it a sports shirt in my mind? Well, it's moisture wicking. This gives you that dry fit when you're doing sports activity. It helps wicks away moisture from your skin to ensure that it breathes freely and that it dries quickly so that you have all day comfort. And this is a tagless design. This way it gives you distraction-free movement. So the size, I'm a large, I got a large, and it's an athletic type regular fit. So if you prefer a slimmer fit, you probably want to choose a smaller size. I personally like the regular fit to give me room to do all the movements I need to do while I'm teaching tennis on the tennis court or even warming up in a warm-up situation. So you got plenty of room in the arms and the sleeves. You got plenty of room around the wrist, so if you want to have a sweatband underneath, it just wears nice and comfortable. I like the fact that it's a little long. This way, when you're hitting serves, it doesn't ride up on you and expose skin or your belt line. And if you're a little overweight, it covers very nicely, gives you that slim look. It makes you look younger. The collar is very nice, classic, got button up, sturdy buttons. This has a great feel. It's a heavy material and high quality. And the fact that it has no logo gives you that non-advertising type trendy look. And it's just a classy look to it, and it performs like it should, like a high performance t-shirt. I like it. I'm gonna be using it for my tennis, and even when I'm not playing tennis, I look like I'm in a formal shirt. So it's very attractive, and it works performance wise. So this is a great buy. I highly recommend it.